have only one goal to achieve in 2025, and that's 100,000 subscribers before 30th of June 2025. That's it. That's my only one goal. You won't find any other things on my list of things to achieve in 2025 or in my new year resolution. You won't find anything else. There is just one thing that I want to achieve in 2025, and that's 100,000 subscribers before 30th of June 2025. I have never been so clear and precise about my new year resolutions before. I always used to make a long list of things every year, like going to gym, building some muscles, and like building some abs, but unfortunately I have not been able to achieve that so far. But this time I am so clear and precise that I know exactly where I have to be in next 6 months. In fact I have created a monthly milestone. I have divided my goal into 6 different months. I know exactly by the end of January where I'll be, by the end of February where I'll be. I know every single month that where I should be in terms of my subscribers count. This way I'm clear that how much time and efforts I have to put into this YouTube channel. For most of you who don't know, I'm running a parallel business and multiple teams of people where we manage different projects. So my day is already divided in so many parts. So I have to be very specific and very precise that how much effort do I need to put in my YouTube channel. The reason why more than 95% of people fail in achieving their new year goals is because they don't know what they want. They are not clear about their goals. They are not precise about their goal. They just write whatever comes to their mind. They just write whatever they want to be, but they don't know that if they are capable of achieving that goal. They don't have plan in their mind. They're not clear in their mind. They have so many ideas in their mind, and they just like put all of those ideas in their paper, and they try to follow that for 1 week, 2 week, or maybe for first month, and after that they just like, even they don't even remember that they set goals. In last couple of months my life has been changed due to this YouTube channel. I have no clear goal and clear vision for at least for next 6 months in my life. And before that, because I was running a services based business, I'm still running that, but things are very uncertain in that. I mean, we have like really good projects, we have really good customers, but that's not something that excites me. What excites me is actually creating content. I love creating content. I love helping people. I love teaching people about new things, and this is why I'm so excited about this YouTube channel. This is why I know precisely where I have to be in next 6 months. That's why I have a very detailed step-by-step plan that what actions do I need to take to reach that 100,000 subscribers milestone. So the reason why I did not make a whole year's plan, because I always like try to achieve small goals, or if there's like a bigger goal, so I divide that bigger goal in small steps. I don't think like setting up goal for whole year is kind of realistic in this market, and especially for a YouTube channel, because things can be so volatile. You might need to like change your strategies. I don't recommend you making a complete detailed plan for whole 1 year. I recommend you making plan for maybe for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. Try to make it as shorter and as clear and as concise, as precise as possible, because as soon as like we just like make a 1 year plan, so we know deep inside our heart, we know that we are not going to follow that. We know that we are going to fail, like we will even forget about that. So just like make shorter goal. If you are not good at like achieving the task that you write on your to-do list, just like try to create like daily goals or maybe weekly goals and try to achieve those. And this is how I think you should set your this new year 2025 goals. Try to set like first month's plan, January's plan, and then try to achieve that. Try to like strive towards that one goal, that one single common goal, and then try to put all of your efforts towards that one single goal. This advice is for a distracted mind like myself. If you have already sorted out your life, you can set like multiple goals and as many goals as you want. But in my life, I'm still at a stage where I need to like achieve one goal. I need to set one goal and put all of the efforts towards that one goal. I wish you very best of luck for this new year. Happy New Year. I see you next video. Bye bye.